Welcome to Gaslands Racing. Today we got the 2020 Jaguar F-Type and the 1953 Jaguar XK140 from Matchbox. It's going to be an exciting race, so welcome. But first, let's take a look at the track. First, they come down this Suez slide. It's actually a beautiful day today in Death Race Mountain. Then they're going to enter this straightaway through gate number 1 around the camera. And every gate is going to give the driver a point. There's 4 gates total, that's including the finish line. We got gate number 2 here, straight away, very easy to complete, hopefully. Then around this bend here and into the construction site. We didn't finish the road here, we're working on it. But if you get to past that, you'll get to gate number 3. It gives you a point there. Around the farmlands over here and into the what we call chair canyon. It's basically a canyon made with chairs. Then there's a second Suez slide right before the finish line down here. Cars are gonna have to try to survive that. And there's the finish line with our cameraman and crew waiting to capture the moment. And if one of the drivers is lucky enough to go through the pipe dream here, they win a ticket to Mars. Alright, let's take a look. We got Joshua Payne, aka Fish, from USA. His car is called the Goblin Shark. He likes the chill of driving too fast, and he dislikes people who mispronounce his name. And now we got Jeff Billingsley, aka the Psycho Jeff, from USA. His car's name's the Green Monster. He likes tossing pumpkins and running over things, but he dislikes caltrops and porcupines, obviously. And we have here the 2 Jaguars at the bottom of the Suez slide getting ready to enter the elevator that's going to bring them up so that they could do their first race. We got the Green Monster versus Goblin Shark, and they're ready to go. And they're off. Green Monster takes the lead. Goblin Shark is right behind them over the construction site. Around the, oh, he slides sideways into the finish line. They both finished. Goblin Shark had a little explosion at the end there, but he comes in sliding sideways. Look at that. Is that a skateboarding move? If anybody knows what that's called in skateboarding land, I'd like to know. Is it an ollie? No, an ollie is when you jump, I think. I don't know. Let us know in the comments. I don't know what it's called. Now we're going to do race number 2 here. Green Monster takes the lead again, and the Shark is right behind him. Are they both going to finish? Yes, they both finished, and they finished on their feet, or tires, I should say. Let's take a look who came in first there. Green Monster comes in, upside down and backwards. Nice finish there. So far, each of them have 4 points for the gates. Let's do race number 3 here. Oh, the Shark comes in front. Green Monster hits him off the road. Is he going to make it? Oh, no. Whoa. Let's hope our helicopter doesn't catch fire there. Let's take a look here. Green Monster just plows him into the sidelines there, and doesn't have enough speed to go over the construction site and explodes. And the Shark's trying to start his car, but nope, no go. Race number 4, Green Monster in front, turns backwards. Will he do it backwards? No. Again, the construction site is giving this guy problems and landed in the ooze pit there. Shark is trying to start his car. He's not even getting a point for that gate. He stopped right in front of it. That's a shame. Oh, Shark is in front this time. Green Monster right behind him, but slows down. And they both finish. And it's, oh, double explosion. In Gaslands Racing, a double explosion is like a double rainbow. We don't have rainbows here anymore. So when we see double explosion, that's what it is. Look at that. Slowed down, but still made it around the Chair Canyon and down the Suez slides. Let's go for another lap here. Oh, we lost Green Monster, and the Shark is slowing down here, but he's gonna continue and into the finish line. What happened to the Green Monster there? Let's take a look back there. I don't even know if he went through the first gate. He came down the Suez slide. Oh, bounced right off the track, and down the mountain he went. Let's do another race here. These guys are up for a lot of races today. Side by side. Shark takes the lead. Green Monster's right behind them. Will they both finish? No. Green Monster finished, but the Shark Went off right at the end there. Let's take a look again. He wanted to probably try to go down sideways again. Helicopter had a hard time keeping up with him. But there we see it. Yeah, not... Alright, let's take another race. These guys, they don't want to do time trial. It seems like they just want to race. And Green Monster... Whoa, that was way too fast. And that caused an accident there. And I'm getting news here. Someone's passing me a piece of paper. And what does it say here? They don't want to do the time trial anymore. These guys are done. They've had way too many problems, and they're protesting the second suicide. I guess we're gonna have to tally it up here, guys. So Joshua Payne with his Jaguar F-Type, which weighs 33 grams, has no time because they didn't do time trial, but he's got 24 gate points and he won 2 of the races. Next we got Jeff Billingsley, and he weighs 29 grams. Nice light little car here. No best time because they did not do time trial. He got 23 gate points and he won 3 of the races. We are looking for sponsors to put on our billboards of our track, so let us know if you're interested. And when you send in your cars, you can send in a business card and it's going to go up there. And if you do play Gaslands and you're looking for gates, dice, or templates, even engines, pipes, 3D printed guns, rams, whatever you're looking for your next build, we got it. Check out our Etsy page in the description of the video, and these are gonna help you quickly and easily build whatever you're looking for in a car. We also have flame effects that we just added, and make sure to join us on Facebook at Gaslands TV. We got monthly contests there, a whole slew of stuff happening on that Facebook page. We also have Instagram at Gaslands TV. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think of these races, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.